Member of Parliament for Southwestern St. Andrew, Dr. Angela Brown Burke, has stopped short of apologizing for her actions in the lower house Tuesday. The lawmaker accepts her actions were in breach of the standing orders and the punishment justified. She has, however, called on Jamaicans not to get distracted and allow the incident to detract from the contentious proposals in the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARRA bill.
This is the moment that threw the House of Representatives into chaos late Tuesday night. Member of Parliament for Southwestern St. Andrew, Dr. Angela Brown Burke, briefly removes the mace before setting back down the ceremonial item. Fast forward 2 days later, and the lawmaker is in a reflective mood.
My actions on Tuesday did not accord with acceptable parliamentary procedure. I also acknowledge under the circumstances that the decision of the House is in keeping with the standing orders.
In the video, the opposition member was seen gesticulating in the direction of the House Speaker Juliet Holness and speaking to members of the government side.
It arose in the context of a heated discussion that we were having around a critical piece of legislation and our attempts to be heard under the circumstances. And I think context matters while we uphold the rules of the House.
Dr. Brown Burke was eventually suspended from the rest of the sitting by the House Speaker, meaning she was among those lawmakers absent when the NARRA bill was eventually passed. Although the bill has been passed, for the MP, it remains controversial, and she wants Jamaicans to stay focused on the proposals instead of her actions.
I would not want that to distract unduly from the important points that we're making about the lack of transparency and accountability, the kind of unfettered powers that we saw with NARRA, because it's trillions of dollars we're talking about. That is a debt to be borne by us and our children and grandchildren, and we want to make sure that we are doing it right and that we're putting in the safeguards that are required.
The National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARRA bill will next be debated in the Senate. The NARRA framework is the state's plan to speed up post-hurricane reconstruction, particularly in parts of Western Jamaica, which were hardest hit by Melissa. Prince Moore, TVJ News.